Before I go any further, let me purposely make some mistakes. Let me get rid of the comma between null and Java. So you see that it gives you a red line. It also gives you an X in the top left corner on the tab because the syntax is not correct. Syntax is the grammar of the language. So if I try to run it exactly like this, it will start complaining. You can't because there's an error. You click on proceed, notice you get something like this. The only reason I'm showing you this so that you guys can fix the errors yourself. Now notice it gives you a visual indicator with the red line that there is an error on line 7, and also tells you right here that the error is on line number 7. If you click on it, it will take you to the line which has an error, okay? And when you hover over, it may sometimes help you with some information. So you can just put the comma back, error is gone, rerun it, and everything is good to go.